What's up, guys? I got the Attack Shark X85 keyboard. Let's open this up. Whoa, that was fun. Anyway, guys, check out this keyboard. I am loving the design of it. It's this gradient gray to dark gray. That's pretty impressive, okay? You also have this really nice metal knob here, which will allow you to control things like your volume and your color settings. And check this out. On the back here, you have tri-mode connectivity. So you can either connect this via wired, Bluetooth, or with the included dongle right here. Boom. Look at that. Anyway, guys, let's set this up. Okay, guys, check out the Attack Shark X85 in all of its glory. This keyboard looks absolutely amazing, okay? And you're seeing something right here, actually. It does come with this coiled USB-A to USB-C cable right here. So really nice addition to the keyboard. Okay, guys, I am going to turn off the lights so you can check out these RGBs in all of their glory. This thing looks amazing. I actually really love the imprint on the side of the keys because it really makes for a nice clean gradient on the keycaps here. Anyway, I'm going to turn off the light. Watch this. Whoa, look at that, guys. Look at that. All right, here it is. Check it out. So with a function and a few button clicks, we can go in and change all of the colors here. Look at this. How cool is that? By the way, I love the escape button is red. So many different modes here, guys. And if I push the function and the backslash, check it out. More colors. Wow. Amazing. If you are a sucker for RGBs like I am, I happen to love this mode, by the way, where when you're clicking, how cool is that? Look at that, guys. Amazing. Now, more importantly, let's get a sound test in here. Okay, guys, sound test. Okay, guys, the Attack Shark X85. I absolutely love this keyboard. You get so many features for a budget-friendly price. Let's go over them. You get this USB-A to USB-C coiled cable right here, which, by the way, I love the look of a coiled cable. You get the light gray to dark gray gradient here, which again looks really great, especially with the imprints on the side. You have all of these RGB settings, which are absolutely amazing. You saw me click through a few of them, but there are so many more settings. I also really love this knob right here. Allows you to control the lights as well as the volume. And listen to the sound. Just an amazing sound. By the way, we didn't talk about this, but you also get a keycap and a switch puller, as well as a few extra lube switches. Anyway, guys, if you are looking for a budget-friendly keyboard with a ton of functionality and an amazing sound, absolutely check out the Attack Shark X85. Tino Reviews here, 2 thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you made it this far, hit me up in the comments. What's your favorite keyboard? I'll catch you guys on the next one.